Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, EF, A Tale of Melodies. So in this anime story, there are two relationships going on, past and present relationship for different person. In the past relationship, there is our first main character and he is in high school. So he is really good with studies and everything else in the high school. So his life was going kinda normally until he meets a strange girl. So that strange girl, our heroine in this anime, she knows our main character from the past, but our main character doesn't really remember her. So now in this high school, kinda disturbing, kinda romantic stuff gonna happen between them. And in the present relationship, there is our second main character. So he is living his life completely free, always flirting with women. With that, he is a great violinist. And our second heroine in this anime, after hearing him play, she kinda falls for him. So now in this anime story, she is trying to get close to him, but our main character, he doesn't really want to. So there are two beautiful stories in this anime, both of them are going parallel to each other. So this anime, it's a really sad but really beautiful anime and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is EF, A Tales of Memories. So this anime have kind of a complicated story and kinda sad too. So in this anime story, there are two relationships going on. So in one relationship starting, one of our hero's bike got stolen by a girl. So after that, he found his bike, but it's completely wrecked and the girl is unconscious. So after that, our hero helped the girl and started spending a little bit of time together, and they got into a kind of relationship too. But our hero's childhood friend, who also have kind of feelings for our hero, is really jealous about it. So that's the love triangle relationships in this anime. There is a second relationship going on in this anime that are completely separated from this one. They have little bit of connection, but you will find out when you're gonna watch this anime. So in our second relationship, our second main character in this anime, kinda lonely girl in a train station. She is just sitting alone, reading a book by herself. So after that, our hero approached that girl, and after a little bit of time, they became friends. But that girl, our heroine, have her own secret. She have some problem with her memories. You will find out about that too when you're gonna watch this anime. So these two, one love triangle, one normal relationship going on in this anime. So yeah, it's a really good anime and you should definitely check this one out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Emma, A Victorian Romance. So this anime story takes place in 19th century England, where our heroine Emma, she is working as a maid her whole life. So she works under a noble family and a really strict one. So as for our heroine, she really likes her job and accepted the place in society. So she knows her place and she likes to stay there. So in this anime story, our heroine is quite beautiful and charming. Because of that, lot of guys have fallen for our heroine. But as for our heroine, she is searching for her true love. And our main hero in this anime, he is from a noble family who just got accepted in the high society. So our hero in this anime, he is kind of a good, loving person. So when he saw our heroine in this anime, he fell in love with her at a first sight. So after a couple of encounters and our heroes trying to get her attention, our heroine also showed interest toward him. But in this society, it's not gonna work. Here, someone from high society can't really marry a maid. So that's why in their romance, lot of obstacles gonna come, and how they gonna overcome it, to find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Drifters. So in this anime, our hero is in a historical setting and in the middle of a war. After that, our hero died in his world and born into a new one. So in this new world, he meets two other guys. They also don't have any clue where they are and what they're supposed to do. At least they managed to figure out all of them came from the same place but from different timelines. And all of them are really famous warriors. Now all of them together decided they're gonna first help some poor elves. From that point, this anime really started. So in this anime, there are many people who came from different world. Some of them are evil, some of them are good like our main characters, and all of them gonna try to do their own stuff. So it's a really good anime and have really good actions. So if you haven't watched this anime, you definitely should. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is how heavy are the dumbbells you lift. In this anime story, all of our heroines are high school students. So one of our heroine, she likes to eat. Because of that, she is in kind of chubby side, but she doesn't really like that part about her body. So that's why, with a heavy heart, she decided she gonna start exercising. So she and her best friend, both of them decided to join a gym, and there they meet another girl from their high school. So our third heroine, she is kinda serious about gym and lifting, and later there is gonna be few other heroines. So this anime, it's all about lifting, doing exercise. So with all of that, there are a lot of comedic parts in this anime. So if you like comedic animes, definitely check it out. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.